Today is my first day of school. Today is my first day of school. I help Mia with her new backpack. I help Mia with her new backpack. Mom makes my lunch box. Mom makes my lunch box. I am a little scared. I am a little scared.
Don't worry. School is fun.
The school is so big. The school is so big. Goodbye, Mom and Dad. Goodbye, Mom and Dad. I walk into my classroom. I walk into my classroom. The
Teacher is very.
kind.
The teacher is very kind.
Hello, my name is Mia. I sit at my new desk. I sit at my new desk. Look, Ben is in my class. Look, Ben is in my class. We sit next to each other. We sit next to each other. We learn the ABC. We learn the ABC. I can write my name. I can write my name. Now we draw a picture. Now we draw a picture. I draw my family and Charlie. I draw my family and Charlie.
The teacher says very good.
Ha!
The teacher says very good.
It is lunch time. It is lunch time.
I share my food with Ben.
Ben.
I share my food with Ben. The food is yummy. The food is yummy.
Let's play outside. Let's play outside. I go down the slide. I go down the slide. Ben pushes me on the swing. Ben pushes me on the swing. We run and play tag. We run and play tag. I read a book in class. I read a book in class. School is so much fun. School is so much fun. The bell rings. Time to go home. The bell rings. Time to go home. I had so much fun today. I had so much fun today. I love school. School.